Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error which says hard drive not installed on your Inspiron 5575 or Inspiron 5775. So if you have one of these model number and when you start your computer, if you are receiving this error code which says hard drive not installed, or when you're working on your computer and suddenly you receive a pop-up which says hard drive not installed. So if you're facing this problem, then you have to go ahead and update the BIOS to the latest version to fix this error message. So open browser on your computer and you have to go to the Dell website. So just type in dell.com/support and then open this website. Now over here you enter the service tag number of your computer. So on the bottom of your laptop, if you flip your laptop upside down, on the bottom there is a sticker where you can find the service tag number or the express service code. So enter the service tag or express service code over here, then click on search. If you don't find the service tag, then simply click on browse all products, then click on laptops. Now then click on Inspiron, then click on 5000 series. Now here you will see the list of all the 5000 series laptop. So if you have Inspiron 5575, then you have to select 575. If you have Inspiron 5775, you have to select 5775. So for example, right now I'm selecting Inspiron 5575. Then you have to click on drivers and downloads, scroll down. Now here you will see the category option. Now click on the down arrow and then select BIOS. Now once you select BIOS, here you will see the latest BIOS for your computer, and then you have to click on download. Now once you click on download, a small exe file will download. You have to run this exe file. Click on it and run the exe file, and then it will go ahead and update the BIOS. Click on yes to allow and then update the BIOS to the latest version. Now before you update the BIOS, let me inform you that the battery on your computer should be more than 10%. So here the battery should be more than 10%, and during the BIOS update, before you update the BIOS, just make sure that the charger, the AC adapter, is connected to your computer. And if you have any kind of external devices connected to your computer, like if you have any kind of memory card, connected, just go ahead and unplug it. If you have any kind of USB flash drive or external hard drive connected to your computer, or maybe printer cable, so just make sure that you disconnect all the external devices from the computer. Make sure the battery is more than 10% and the charger is connected to your computer. Now then go ahead and update the BIOS. Now during the BIOS update, the system will restart, and during the installation, just make sure that you do not unplug the power cable. Just make sure that this is always connected when it's updating the BIOS, or else it will damage your computer. Now after the BIOS update, you can go ahead and log into your computer, and then you can restart your computer just to check whether you're receiving that hard drive not installed error or not. So if you're not receiving, that's fine. If you're receiving, then you have to go ahead and shut down the computer. So the error should go away after the BIOS update, in case if it's not a real error. In case that's a real error, then we can go ahead and verify. So go ahead and click on shut down your computer. Now once the computer is completely shut down, you have to start the computer. Like you have to press the power button, and as soon as you press the power button, you have to keep on tapping the F12 key on the keyboard. So on the Dell logo, just keep on tapping the F12 key on the keyboard, F12. Now it will take you to the boot menu, Now use the down arrow key on the keyboard. Use the down arrow to scroll down. Then select diagnostic and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. Just hit the enter key on diagnostic when you highlight the diagnostic option. Now it will start running the hardware test on the computer. Now you will see a color bar. So if you see a color bar, you have to select yes. It's asking where the color bar displayed, so select yes and let the test complete. Now if there is something wrong with the hard drive, if there is any kind of hardware failure with the hard drive, if the hard drive has failed, then here you will receive some kind of error, maybe same error which says hard drive not installed, or maybe it will give you some kind of error code and the validation code. So if you receive any kind of error code or validation code, then you have to go ahead and contact Dell. So if your system is under warranty, go ahead and call Dell and they will go ahead and help you to replace the hard drive in case there is a real hardware failure with the hard drive. Now if the system is not under the warranty, still you call Dell, because they are the right person who can help you with the right hard drive which is for your computer. So that will take care of the problem. So basically on these model number, on the model number which I told you, on these model number, if you are receiving hard drive not installed, just updating the BIOS is actually resolving the issue for many users. But still, if there is real hardware failure, then you have to run the hardware test and it will tell you whether there is something wrong with the hard drive or not, and then you can contact Dell and they will help you with the hard drive replacement. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.